Display of data in a circular visualization, we will add a chart with a type of pie chart. Locate on canvas. Change the size of the chart. Another type we can add also with circular format, but it has inside some space like ring. Add this chart, change the size, and let's make some styling and the design of the chart. We look for the style, and we can change the number of elements that we would like to see inside. For example, we can choose 5, and then we can see 5 and then the other. In my case, I will select 20. And if we have a lot of things that should be visible here, you will see this option to move on and see the rest. And what's other is available here is to show the percentage or label of value. Let's experiment on the other chart. In here, the dimension, I would set also the depth name. And inside we have a metric for the year 2019. I can add a text inside and mark as 2019. We can make changes in font, in size, locate in the center the text, and add this text also inside the center of our chart. Regarding to the color, we can make changes in the style to make it a single color, and then it will have a gradient here. We can also change the size of that circular ring, or make the colors corresponding to a specific value of the dimension. When your chart is ready, you can click View and enjoy your work.